In this video, I will give you a quick review of the OneMain Financial BrightWay credit card and tell you what it's all about and whether it's good or not in my opinion. So first, when you go to onemainfinancial.com, you can click credit cards. Currently, they only have two, so you have the normal BrightWay and then the BrightWay Plus. And the main difference is that with the normal BrightWay, there is an annual fee that you need to pay. So you can scroll down to see how much that is. So one has annual fees and this one doesn't. Beside that, it's pretty much the same. So the credit limit is up to $2,000 on both of them and then unlimited 1% cashback on purchases. Now, the normal BrightWay card is for you if you have a lower credit score, if you're building or rebuilding your credit score, things like that. As for the other one, the BrightWay Plus is for those who already have a higher credit score. Now, basically, what the BrightWay card is all about is helping you build up your credit score, which is obviously very important. So for example, you can unlock rewards like a credit limit increase or APR decrease in as little as 6 months. So basically, they encourage good spending and credit habits to help you build up your score. And then you have to pay less for the card and you also unlock reward. But the rewards are nothing crazy. But overall, I think if you have trouble with building up your credit, or maybe you have a lower credit score because you haven't used your credit card frequently, then this could be a good starting point, although it is not free to use. Now, if you look at their reviews on the App Store, you can see that they have a 4.8 star rating out of over 16,000 ratings. So that's very good. And that's mainly from people using the card. For example, this person loves how you can track your progress, and then this one says it gives you small goals and lets you reach them so you can actually see that you're doing something. Now, of course, there are also some lower reviews, but overall, the reviews are very good. And in my opinion, the OneMain Financial BrightWay credit card is a good card for building up your credit. With that being said, I'll see you on the next video.